Under White, top 2 or 3 priorities for you in 2026. I know there's a lot of stuff going on at the Coast Guard these days.
There sure is a lot of stuff going on, but I think I'm going to answer the top priority with the drumbeat that we're following, and that's zero trust. We have a deadline. It's 2027, and we have to meet zero trust, right? So if you take zero trust as your top line argument, what falls out from that? Well, it's baseline infrastructure. I think we've got a good check mark on that right now. The second one is modernizing your application portfolio. So that's where I led in with our conversation is how are we going to modernize that app portfolio? And it's a confluence of I'd say 3 different main production lines that we're looking at. The main one is taking commercial off-the-shelf technology and either being able to use it directly as software as a service or deploy it as a managed container environment or something to that effect, where you're taking a product, you're deploying it and using it in your environment, you're integrating it in. As Christina said, it's so important to be able to integrate the data lines across your app portfolio. So we're able to bring those in. We've proven that out several times now. And we're actually conducting 2 pilot projects right now to do rapid deployment of containers as a service type projects. The second rung of that is low-code platforms. We don't want to own the full stack of software. It is such a pain to own the full stack. And if I can outsource most of that stack and receive the benefits of a bottom line integrator doing a lot of the grunt work, I can focus on that app tier, right? I can focus on that user experience.
Absolutely.
I can focus on the integrations. That makes a huge difference in app delivery. And the last piece is cloud native deployments. We're talking about cloud. The cloud brings hundreds of services. How can I leverage most of those services to just get stuff out of my way, right? Just instantiate them, make them available, pay the consumption bill, and move out. The second piece, which we touched on with some of our vendor partners on here, is automation and visibility. How do I automate all my provisionings, automate the scanning and compliance checks, make things visible, right? When you deploy stuff in the cloud, it tends to like grow legs and disappear, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we need to be able to surface those things. This is very much in line with FinOps as well. It's not just a security problem. It's not just an inventory problem. There's a cost element to this. So being able to do all these things and still comply with zero trust is a huge enabler, and that's our top priority for the coming years.